Okay, Joe. Benjamin's awake now. And did you wake him up?
No.
What happened?
He didn't wake up by himself.
Oh, he did he? What are all these blocks and things? You don't think that could have possibly woken up Benjamin, do you?
Those blocks and things for Benjamin.
They're for Benjamin? Does he like that? Poor Ben. You don't get any rest, do you, buddy? Well, he doesn't seem too bothered by the blocks. You're lucky. Hey, Joe. Is Benjamin your friend? You like him? Okay. All right, let's get these blocks off, Joe. I think he's all done.
He wants to be home.
Yeah.
I'm putting knackers on.
I think he wants to be old, too.